Me and reality, we don't really get along. They take my soul, I take it back, and I'm told that's wrong. I guess I'll just pretend that everything's fine and everyone's friends. Then I fall flat-footed on my face again. Do it up now! My sanity, we've been living on the run. What's best, what's next, just hold your breath, keep moving on. I guess I'll just pretend that everything's fine and everyone's friends. Well, raise your hands if you need more. These growing pains, running through my hallway, snaps like a whip in the back again. They say humanity, I say humiliation. Let's look to the past and bring it back instead of original creation.